Komenta sama tukabwanga iga kyombe kirike manyekane tebu na Matatu Owners Association ga Kenya negoli tukolera batare na wakoletaro yabo aigase county ya Kisii chinsemo chia agatikati wo Kisii osebosongo stage yanane abo asabatu arobanya byo botinde gati yabo amo nabantere bakuru asensemejo konenga n'umunyakero bokuru ase kyombe kerikyo Kongo ni gabere kagote yabuna ogotwara maigero nabo igokonyara okorobanya byo cya sabantere banenchire mera nyari kwera ninse okobao kweme basokane mengi gantu batebarachi okorana kumurekera sowime eri nyara kubwatira namu nebyombe ochenga kichibego niko bateruna bati kubwatira nebyombe binde buna bona NTC bane kibuno Burundi yasibana kolekana bole asenchera bwendete anabonya konyago kinia obosombi ase sector yabara unatokumanyigwa asenchera nyoboime
buna enchera ya moyo gokiania ajali chiapara nigo ekyombe kya Matatu Owners Association kiabage kwaligania na kubwatirana nebyombe binde buna NTSA na gukora ukoringorigwa kwa busagwe kigali eliyo kurigereria ebitambukiro byonsi biribiganeirie asobosombi bwa para asibaragwa no muteneri o Matatu Owners Association Kenya asatebirenere bya kigali cyonsi kurigererigwa na guikirania amachika para eliyo gokiania omubasokano nabo igo kogendereria asensemo yebyasara byobosombi.
Ilikuwa leo na exercise ya motor vehicle clinic inspect kama magari yetu iko sawa, and we've done more than 200 vehicles. With us here is our Matatu Owners Association President Kenya. Now we have law enforcement officers here, the OSPD ako hapa na sisi na other officials.
Ni gobono omotenyo Matatu Owners Association Kenya Albert Karagacha atebire mbachikubwatirana eliokiania emebasukano Kenya yonsi.
Matatu Owners Association is all over the counties within our Kenya, and we are here today to support the issue of road safety in terms of doing what we call clinics. We are inspecting the vehicles, the drivers are being talked to. The way the chairman has said, we've done around 200 vehicles, and the exercise is going to go the whole country. Tomorrow we are going to be in Kisumu. After Kisumu we'll be going to Bungoma all the way to Kitale and Eldoret. So
asechinga kiecho nigo omo OSBD kurwa asensemeyo nere ainekebuna engane mwamo asobosombi no kwerenda na igonere buya abanyene kigali amona bali bakora egasi ase kigali echo kulingo lya kigali cyabo eliokyania emebasokano asene kyabunamba kikubwaterana asokwene kyabuna abanyene kigali ngo cyokonyora bale engele yabo ase obosombi obu.
We are here talking just one thing: safety on our roads, safety on our roads, safety on our roads. The initiative is good because it now aligns the passengers and the drivers and the investors in the Matatu industry to know what they're supposed to do and at what time while on their investment process or on the roads. Na sisi tumewakaribisha kwa sababu usalama kwa barabara zetu ni muhimu zaidi. Maisha ni muhimu zaidi. Tumepoteza maisha. Tuko na watu wa NTSA hapa wanatusaidia, and it is amazing if you can see what is happening today.
Nigo babolia abantu bonsi koba maiso enga kibale asebarana se ekigali nagokana omontereba ondebwensi otindete enga ki arikogendia egali asebara.
We are urging the customer wherever you are, if you see the driver is drunk, the driver is over speeding, and the issue of carrying excess, as the association we are not going to allow that. We'll want passengers to be driven safely. They are our customers, and we believe that as Kenyans we must work as a team. We are here in Kisii to make sure that the exercise is going on very well, and we urge the Kisii community, Gusii, to work as one so that we can try to achieve the issue of road safety and try to see how we can support our economy.
Kulipotelea igetaseni kia Ndizi TV ile tariane Mildred Momanyi.